You're watching Fox 10 Arizona Morning with Ron Hoon, Rick D'Amico, Alexis Del Chiaro, Andrea Robinson, and Corey McCloskey in HD. Coming up.
And it's something from your own body, how one Valley doctor is using it to make you look younger. I can't wait to see how this works.
Today in the Girls Club, a new way to smooth out those wrinkles. It's called Selphyl, and Alexis Del Chiaro is checking it out.
In the Girls Club, if you are looking to get rid of wrinkles, this is what you're used to seeing: Radiesse, Perlane, Juvederm. Well, now there's a new solution, and it involves your own blood. Dr. Jain is here to explain how it works. We're at Rejuvena, and this is a relatively simple procedure, and it starts with drawing blood.
Yes, that's correct. So what I did is I just drew 9 cc's of the patient's blood, and now I'm going to put it in a centrifuge and spin it down so that we can separate the platelet-rich plasma from the red blood cells.
Okay, so we got to put it in the spinner. And exactly what is it doing while you're spinning before you inject it?
So basically, it's going to separate the blood into the 2 layers of red blood cells. I'm sorry, 3 layers of the gel and the platelet-rich plasma. And basically, at that point, it's going to be ready for activation with the calcium chloride. And once we do that, it's ready to be injected. Once activated, we actually have about 10 minutes to fully inject the product into the patient's face.
And this is usually for around the mouth or maybe around the eyes?
Yeah, it's actually, we can use it anywhere on the body. It's pretty fascinating because it is your own blood. You know, you can inject it anywhere on the face. You can inject it into cellulite and dimples. You can inject it into like the chin area or the neck, the hands. It's really, it's in its infancy as to, you know, what all the potential is.
And I would assume that the side effects would be minimal because it's your own blood.
Correct, yeah. That's what the best part about it is, that you're really minimizing side effects. And it's a very superficial injection. It's very hard to over-inject. It's very hard to cause a lot of bruising and swelling. You do get a little bit of bruising just because anytime you inject into a part of the body, you know, that's a possibility. But all those side effects are greatly reduced. And we're seeing very, very minimal bruising, actually.
Okay, now we wait 6 minutes. 6 minutes later, and the blood is ready. So now what, doctor?
So basically what we're going to do now is we're going to activate the PRP using calcium chloride. And then I'm going to separate it out into individual syringes so that I can better judge how much volume I have that I'm injecting.
Mary Ellen, what are you hoping to accomplish by doing this?
To have smoother looking skin, to smooth out some of the wrinkles.
And is there a specific problem area you wanted the doctor to focus on?
Right around my mouth area, the nasal labial folds.
And is this the first time you've ever done this?
It is.
Okay, are you nervous?
I'm so excited. I am a little nervous. But
This is what everyone gets excited for.
Okay.
This one's going to go in, and we're just going to...
And that's it?
And that's it.
How long does this last for?
So they're getting results for 12 to 18 months.
Wow.
And unlike traditional fillers, you don't see a dramatic drop in the volume. It's actually a very gradual decline.
Okay. Well, it looks good. I can see how that area filled out.
Yeah, so it's a very instant kind of an effect, volumizing effect. Looks very nice and natural. Like I said, it's very hard to overcorrect because the body's not going to make more than what it needs.
Okay.
It's not like you're putting in, you know, the synthetic fillers. If you don't inject properly or too superficial, you can get bumps and nodules.
Sure.
Whatever the body needs, it's going to make. And you can see here, it just took that line right out.
Great. All right. Well, Dr. Jain, thank you so much. Mary Ellen, we hope you're happy. Again, we'll put all the info on our website, myfoxphoenix.com. Guys, back to you.
There you go. Okay, myfoxphoenix.com. Click on As Seen on TV.